Hello everyone, I'm Angela and today we're going to conquer the matching questions exercise in the Fachschulreife or in any other listening comprehension test that you are taking. So matching questions require you to correctly associate information from the audio here. An example, we've got this is one exercise based on the audio of 2022, and in this case we've got we're gonna listen to a radio program in which 4 people express their opinions. Then we've got the statements here, as you can see, and afterwards here we've got a small grid. So while you're listening, you will have to match each one of these opinions, or sorry, some of these opinions, so we have 6 of them, to speakers 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's gonna see how to do that. So tip number 1 is going to be no surprise, and is to read the options very carefully before the listening starts. So before listening before the audio starts, read the options. You need to match. Highlight the keywords. Look for the most important information that you will have to look for during the listening. Like that, you will know what to be prepared for. For example, if you need to match people with their statements, which in this case, read the names and the possible statements before listening. Tip number 2, not a surprise either. Take notes while during the listening. So, during the listening, note down keywords or phrases that match the options. These notes will help you make the correct association later. For example, if you hear John mention that he prefers working in the mornings, just write down, John prefers mornings, period. Do not worry about any grammar mistakes because we actually do not correct your notes. We don't check them unless it's absolutely necessary. And you're going to take your notes in the draft paper, so don't you worry at all about that. Number 3, pay attention to specific details. So you have to listen carefully for specific details that make matching easier. Sometimes the very small hints are crucial. For example, if you hear, Sarah likes to work on creative projects, and one of the statements is, enjoy creative tasks, this statement matches Sarah. Tip number 4, another repeater here. Listen twice to verify. Remember that you will listen to all audios twice. So use the second time to check your matches and ensure no details were missed. Use this opportunity to verify your notes and ensure all matches are correct. Tip number 5, no surprise either. Stay calm and stay focused. So remember that panic and/or stress can impair your ability to recognize and match the correct information. Take deep breaths if you start feeling nervous. Remember the 4x4 technique that we saw in previous videos, and stay calm and the matches will fall into place. Remind yourself that you are perfectly prepared, that you are perfectly trained, and that staying calm is going to help you make the right matches. In conclusion, use these strategies and you will find that this matching exercise is not as challenging as you might have thought at the beginning, and that is actually an opportunity to shine. It's a good opportunity for you to pick up a couple of points. So that was the video for today. I really hope that you are enjoying your preparation, and see you in the next video. And of course, if you had any questions or comments or whatever, just drop them in the comment section. Bye.